What's up, guys? It is 12:22. Here we go for the February Ocean Princess trip. It says my arrival will be 3:17. 2 hours and 56 minutes, 168 miles. So if you're driving from somewhere in Howard County, that's how long it's gonna take.
You've arrived in! Hip hip hooray!
Alright, so this is where you get through. Just follow the car and the boat. Hey, good morning.
Alright folks, I'm gonna call the names in the order they tell me you booked. Watch yourself on the gangway, no swimming, anything going there, you can hand it to the meter there. That's the $1 million question. Last night, the last 3 days, said we were gonna get our butts kicked. This morning, it was like it's sunshine and rainbows, so we'll find out when we get there. We'll bring back most of you. 80-90%. All right, Bruce Cheney. Bruce, you're here? All right. Raise your hand if you're not. Mike Coles? Yep. A couple of you? Yep. All right, both round trip? We'll talk. You talk to me about the life insurance and whatnot. Yeah. John Riccardi. Pair of you?
Yes.
All right.
Physically, not mentally.
Whatever, that's all we care is the space. Once we've got your money, we're good. Alright, Christopher Barrett. We got 3 all together? Alright, Vernon's our main man down here. Nothing happens without him. John Hartman. Right here. Going down. Alright, John. Jason Stewart. Jason. Emily Stewart, I'm guessing, probably isn't here either. All right, Sean Perry. I got the right day again. Logan Kraus. William Iasley. Kevin. I know you're here, Kevin. How you doing? Yeah. I'll drop that in the water for you, no problem.
All right, thanks.
I'm already at 200. Yeah. Take 50.
Thanks.
Young. Free ice. said the whole Hold on.
And we'll be able to stay with 16 most of the day. Your mate on deck is going to be Jeff and Philomena. They're going to be around helping everyone out. If you need something from the galley, we have beer sodas and snacks available. And if you'd like anything when the mates aren't busy cutting bait or getting a tangle, they'll be happy to get something for you. There's no smoking permitted on the main deck or in the bathrooms. Smoking is permitted on the upper deck, but no smoking on the main deck. And we're going to go ahead and let things get warmed up for a minute, and then we'll be getting underway. Looks if you rented a rod from us, come on.
What's that?
Is that a new 1000?
That's actually 800.
800?
Yeah. It's my first time taking it out.
I can see it's the new model.
Yeah. I brought it out to test it. I know I'm overcompensating, but I wanted to test out that battery to see how long it lasts.
That's what I'm gonna watch too, because
yeah, because
how long does it say it would last?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, yeah, because I guess it's all different whether
exactly
constant reel in or.
So I'm going to have to do my math and see, since we're gonna fish 300 feet, but I got it for, like in New Jersey, there was 500, 800
That's
feet
where
one.
I'm from. That's where we fish.
Oh, okay.
Tile fish.
Oh, which boat are you?
Atlantic Star.
Is that what you recommend?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Atlantic Star is a good one out of
my buddy and I was looking at Voyager for.
Voyager's a very good one too.
Very good one too.
Sometimes it's hard to get on there.
Oh, is that
so?
why?
Because as soon as he puts the trips out, they fill
They're
up.
gone. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the
Atlantic Star is way less crowded.
Well, Atlantic Star is a lot less crowded.
Star?
And it's like 110 foot. Yeah, it's a big boat.
What kind of trips do they have? Do they have?
He does 12 hour. He does 10 hour sea bass, 12-hour sea bass. Like we don't have a sea bass season now, as you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But tile fish, he does the 18-hour tile fish
18
trips.
hours, okay.
Yeah, Cape May. The Atlantic Stars in Cape May.
Where's that?
South Jersey.
I'm not from Jersey. So
Yes.
it's south from where Voyager
Yes.
is?
Yep.
Where are you from?
Oh, Maryland.
Maryland,
In
yeah.
Howard County, so.
Take the ferry.
Take the ferry across, they'll take you right to it.
Oh, really?
When you're at the ferry, you got a 3-mile ride.
Yeah, once you get off the ferry, yeah, here you go, 3 miles to the boat.
So you guys drove all the way from Jersey? Wow.
Now we took a private jet here.
We can't last night.
Last night?
Yeah, last night.
That must have been the drive too then.
4 hours.
Oh, that's not too bad.
No. We fish with Kane a lot.
Oh, okay. Charter? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I was just on the double trouble
Oh yeah.
for a
I'm going to
cocktail.
start off here about 325 feet. Let's go ahead and drop them down to the bottom. If you rented a fishing rod from us, make sure you keep your thumb on the spool as you let the line out. If you need any help during the trip, don't hesitate to ask one of the mates. Jeff and Philomena, they're down on deck helping everyone out. Sea bass have to be 13 inches long to keep. You're allowed 15 per person. You'll probably see some tile fish periodically during the day. They have to unfortunately go back. All the blue line tile fish you see have to go back. Make sure your fish are legal. Keep track of what you got in the box. The DNR has been at the dock every single trip that we've done. And had a fella last trip who didn't believe us, I guess, and walked away with a nice fat ticket. So make sure your fish are legal. Marking a few here on the bottom. We'll see how we do here.
He wasn't kidding.
14 meters. All right, show me something here, guys. Show me something good.
Wait, how many feet?
310, 320. Yeah, that's about
I
right.
got 340.
Yeah, that with the little scope and everything. Something like that. All right, guys, show me something. I don't want to wait.
Go to work.
I don't want to wait this long. Let's
Insta bites, let's go. Come on, swing.
go. They got their limit on the back of the boat. So we're gonna need that. Electrocute myself if I touch that.
There you go. How long should I wait? This is my first time using
All
this.
right, you got circle hooks on there, right?
Yep,
Just wind slow and see if they're on there. Yeah, there you go. Just
there you go.
and with those electrics slow, you know, you don't want to rip the fish off. I see that a lot with the tile fish.
Okay. About this speed or?
No, I mean you can ease it up. You just don't want to jam it right in.
Oh,
You
okay.
don't want to peel out in the parking lot. All right.
feet. Wow.
Didn't have to fucking crank it up my hand.
Yeah.
Crank it up my hand. 300 foot for his dog.
Yeah, but you got to worry about his thumb, you know. Did you stretch your thumb out? Have you ready? Yeah,
I did.
It could be very bad. You got to stretch that and everything. Good to happen. All right, if this is a dog, I'm going to get off the boat.
Thick enough here to keep away from the dogs. Let me get you to wind them up. Have to make a little bit of a move. Wind them in, please.
How's the electric world going? We good?
Easy.
No, still got clean water now. how's the bird watching or whatever it is you're doing up here? You good?
The
You see that
small
whale
one.
on the way up here?
Yeah. Are you serious? Oh wow, you got a pollock. Yeah.
There's the big pollock. Call it, Johnny. There's the big pollock.
Ask for net if you're not sure. You could lift it. Yeah. Jeff.
Got a big pollock.
He's a couple friends.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
You think you're in Massachusetts?
He wanted some money. That's what he wanted.
That's a Boston bluefish.
Somebody's line got.
Nice job.
All right. You're not fooling around.
Hold on.
Did you play the fish pool? That's a left eye pollock. They don't count in the pool. Only right eye pollock count.
Yeah.
Nice fish. Nicely done.
Thank you.
We're gonna start getting into dogs here in just a second. Let me get you to wind them up. We'll circle around here again. Back a minute. Alright guys, do it again, drop them down. If your line went under the boat on the last strip, it'll go away from the boat on this strip.
Yo, let's catch a
Here we
fish.
go.
Go easy on us with the big pollock.
Be boring as hell.
Let him go. Oh, he's dead.
Nobody can fact check me. You got bait on there, or you jigging?
I'm jigging with the bait
Oh, okay.
for now.
Oh, yeah.
Blue line. Blue line.
Size of this blue line, motherfucker. Look at this blue line. I don't want to pop it. Yeah, he could have net him.
Oh, hold on. Don't pull the line over there. Let your line go. Let your line go.
Grab the net. I don't want to break my line. The big
This is your fish.
You can have blue line.
I'll throw your fish over there, okay?
For this shallow water.
The fish is right here, though. It's really bad, so we're gonna need a Philomena to untangle. Thank you.
Sewers. Came up, I took my time and she blew her bubbles right there. Once they get that bubble down, they're okay. I'm telling you, that Jimmy. Yeah, usually that's the reason I know that. That's why I said that. Jimmy makes it.
Whose line is? Hold on. Let your line go. Let me pull this up. Let your 잠시만요.
Been through this before. They club involved.
Thank you.
I hope you didn't invite the whole neighborhood for the fish broadcast.
Let's go have a lot of fish.
Oh, yeah. I figure if he's got to do a stool sample to find him. Here you go. You want that? Philomena, where you at? I need you.
Yeah, we drifted over here to the edge of this rock pile, just a little too far. Let me get you to wind them up. We'll circle around again.
Yeah, get it.
Damn. Seriously.
Kevin, I'm not hearing much from you.
I know.
I'm not hearing the dentist drilling much.
Must be this electric drill.
that's quiet.
Yeah.
That is quiet.
At least I'm not sweating.
Yeah.
My arm's still working.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said, keep that thumb stretched out. So you can push your buttons in.
Let me see.
Remember, I go on break now for 40 minutes. I'm just searching my shoe. The lid working, or is it?
Oh yeah, it's
I mean,
great.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
You can put fish in there. I mean, that's the idea.
What happened to her electric reel?
She didn't like it, I guess.
Oh.
Ding, ding, ding. Looks awful little.
Yeah.
Awful quick. Give that other hook a chance.
Alright guys, crank them up, gotta come around again.
you were into that kind of thing.
Too close.
Nice one.
Nice. You got it.
Sportsman of the year. You push that button like a grandkid. I'll ruin everything. So you lie there.
Yeah? Is it, are other ones really loud?
I mean, most of them, it sounds like you're at the dentist office.
I'm testing it out for our towel trip.
Are you?
Yeah. But I'm glad I brought it today.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, hey.
Pop.
What pop?
His bladder.
Oh, bladder pop.
Yeah. Which is good. He's done with it anyway. He doesn't need it anymore where he's going.
Nice.
Alright, do that again.
There we go. Thank you. When are you guys having your first towel trip?
Probably going to be May.
May?
They're talking, the rumor is they're going to open sea bass or May 1st this year.
Oh, really?
So he's talking about doing maybe some deep water towel sea bass combos.
Combo. Nice.
You know, don't hold us to it.
Yeah.
If we're doing the towel sea bass combo now, we're not trying to.
You said this was going to happen, and it
Yeah.
happened, so.
Yeah. How we doing in there, guys? I'd like to see this fuller.
Fighting back. Oh, man.
Nice fish there.
She won't throw that one back.
I mean, she will if you dare her. I mean, you'll be mean if you. All right, we got bubbles. Nice fish on the bottom there. All right. Here, hold that up.
So far for that.
I'm gonna get some publicity out of you.
What's that lady's name?
Philomena?
Smile.
All right.
All
Good
right.
one, guys.
Philomena.
No, not that's not her.
Oh, the Korean lady.
Oh, okay.
K.
Okay.
Throw back. Throw back.
Yeah, throw it back over here.
That was like coming her way. These kids think that I ain't going that way back.
Nice shark.
Thank you. What was that? Ah.
Oh no.
Falling apart there, huh? Have you got what you need?
That's a good one. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Baby bait goes for everybody.
That looks good. Close.
He's got a fish.
Throw back. Throw back.
That's horrible, isn't it? Terrible. Yeah. You guys saw that? there.
Guys, let me get you to crank them up. We don't have much time left, and I want to hold the boat over this 1 minute here. See if we can pull a few more in. Wind them up. Let's give it a shot.
Something was fighting.
Looks good from here. We're not going to stop the presses, but he'll definitely do.
Very nice.